Hello guys, I'm Alan Quest. To tell you in this tutorials how to go for your email rescue. As we know that when someone who has stolen the password of your email ID, someone has hacked your email ID, how do you rescue it? In this condition you don't have the recovery email and recovery phone numbers, then how do you handle it? This idea unfortunately actually has been recommended by a viewer who has lost his device, so now you would like to recover without having the recovery email and recovery phone number. We will see live here. So by providing sufficient information for the Google support, of course we can recover it. How it is possible we will see. We are on a recovery phase. We don't have a phone number guys, so just we will go for optional that try another way. Now we don't have this QR code, so now we don't have this phone number also. So now how do I handle? Now it's essential that you did not provide enough information for Google to be sure that this account is really yours. How would I make it mine, really? Yes, this can be the possible when answer as many questions as you can. Yes, use a device where you have the sign in before this kind of the things. But third one we will go for more tips to the recover it. Don't click on a try again, so otherwise of course this account will be freeze or multiple times. If I try from here that a try against then one another new tab or page will be open there, and there via different email you will have to submit some legal document on the basis of Google will justify to endorse that this ID is yours or not. If you will have, or if it is yours, and then you will have an opportunity to create a strong password, but total estimated time can be expected more than 48 hours, so don't go for it. Quickly if you would like to the response, and then this can be the possible. Of course, quickly if you would like to rescue, then just we will come in Play Store guys. In the Play Store we will have to download one browser, so let's back. Yeah, just we will come in a Lamor browser. Of course we will try to install. So see guys, I'm trying to install it. So how much time it will take to download? We will see total size is approximately 78 MB. So it's taking time guys. We will have to wait, and therefore of course after installations then we will go for further. On the other hand we have the summarize also, two changes. So we will come in a Chrome browser guys, where it is. Let's see. Here this we will click on here, and thereupon we will tap hold this Z browser, and of course we will tap on here. Some changes, notifications 2 time make it click, so automatically it will be blocked. So then we will come the permission. We will have to come on a location, navigate this precise location, and try to off. Then click on a don't allow NB, and don't allow NB means device may no longer function as intended. Then we will back it, and from here once again we will have to come the Chrome and especially in Google. In Google we have the Ultra One browser, that's the Chrome in the whole that, and therefore of course now we will come the notification that we will have to make it blocks, and then of course we will have to back, and will come the permission there we will have to make it off in the fresh and we will come there, click on allow, and make the precise location, check it out that it is off or not. If it is off then also okay, then go for don't allow NB. So similar, this function will be no longer. Now see guys, here what we will do here, we have a just check it out in this downloaded, this browser is downloaded or not. So 98% we have done, so almost we have done guys. So the before the comments there, one more time so we will come the Google, so and hold it this, and of course we will come here. So now see still it's downloading. Let it finish firstly, then of course we will see here. Almost we have it cleared. Don't worry, 2 more percentage was remaining, so I don't know that it let's see one time more. Just we will come to the Play Store and we will check it out how much time it will take. It's on a 90% guys, and now see it's a 100%. Now it has started to install, so it's installing now. So we will check it out. Yeah, still it's not installed, guys. Now it's installed, so it has been installed. So we will come in a Chrome, as we see already in the iOS, but now once again we will have to come in this ones, and we will try to approach these apps browsers. Now so this ones we will have to pick, and then we will get it from there. Now what we will do, guys, is simply we will come to the name of the browser, and now we will have to accept a term and conditions. So let's see. Now here, just to simply in a search bar there, type Google Photo, and of course we will go for, so according to the country here, select google.co in co UK co from which country you have. So of course that we will have to add then other form going the signals now by this ones. Now yeah, just we will have to write on this constant text files when we have tokens. Now this side, of course, now we will go for next. See, let's see. So it has started to recover now. See here, just we will have to go for here. Just we will go for forget password, and what will happen here, guys? And clicking on the forget password, try another way. We will try to approach, and thereupon, of course, we will go for here. Don't have the phone number. So if I click here, don't have a phone number, then see, here is now more tips to recover your accounts. But click on here, try again, don't. Why so? Because this account will be freeze, because I'm trying to recover this particular Gmail ID that doesn't belong to me. That's why by a different browser I'm trying to. So can I go for? Yes, we have option more tips to recover your accounts, but we will not buy that. We will approach, we will cut it from here, and of course we will come in a Google Assistant. By tapping on settings, we will have an opportunity to Google service to, of course we will click on a help option, and after coming the help options, we will have to approach this. Click on a help options, and there, yes, we will go for just concerning. We will have to explain the actual issues that you think someone else is using. So the fourth number is a fantastic options. It has been hacked, changed the password, stolen the password, of course, hacked, hijacked, anything. So now help us secure your accounts in these options, and then we will go for review your account activities. Then we will come in account has been hacked, and of course we will back, and here is especially these changes that can help. So of course now we will go for the recovery page and see here what will happen. Now see here, we will have to write this particular Gmail ID. Now here, before going to there, I would like to the precautions on that. If you go for next, then don't click on a hurry to continue. Otherwise, you will trap in it's verify you option. So for this, be alert for that, and then we will go for. We will have to change the password by clicking on the update, and don't go for on especially continue, otherwise you will have the problem, guys. So see this ID, check it out now. So we are on here. So now what we will do, guys, here, just we will have to here just let's cut these options, now we will go on one browser, and let's go for next. Now see directly would be here, and here I have already mentioned to you, don't have to go for continue. So just we will go for change the password. So if I click here change the password, now they will have this strong opportunity to create a strong password, confirms a new password, and therefore of course what we will do, click on the change the password so that such kind of incident won't be repeated, and go in a security center at the recovery email and recovery phone number so that such kind of incident won't be happening again. This ID we will have to give to my viewers. So right now on a screen, so that we cannot actually create, otherwise this would be in the public domain, so maybe security concerns, and that's why. But this is for institution purpose, and don't misuse it. This is all about in this video tutorial, guys. Thank you very much, and have a great time, guys. Bye bye.